In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print entries in Jotform tables. This process is simple and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you can easily print your necessary documents. Let's get started. First things first, head over to jotform.com and sign in using your unique credentials. It's essential to access your account before proceeding, as all your forms and tables are linked directly to your account. Once you're logged into your Jotform account, you will want to navigate to My Forms. You'll find this section in your dashboard, and this is essentially your command center where all your forms and submissions are managed. Now, take a moment to locate the specific form table you want to modify or print entries from. With so many forms available, it's important to ensure you've selected the correct one. When you've identified the right form, click on it to open the form table. You'll be transported into the Jotform tables environment, which is a powerful tool for organizing and viewing your data. Here, you'll notice a series of columns and rows that represent different submissions and information fields. In this table view, look for the entry you're interested in printing. On the leftmost side in the first column, you'll see a View button. Click this button to open the detailed view of the entry. This action will display the complete information associated with that entry, making it suitable for printing and reviewing. With the entry details now visible on the right panel, direct your attention to the top area where you'll see a print icon. This icon typically looks like a small printer or piece of paper and indicates that you're ready to prepare this entry for printing. Go ahead and select this print icon. Clicking it will trigger your browser's print dialog box to appear. In your browser's print dialog, you have the freedom to set your printing preferences. This is where you can decide on specific settings like the number of copies, paper size, layout options, and more to tailor the printout to your preferences. After adjusting these options to your liking, simply click the print button at the bottom of the dialog. Your printer will take it from here, and you should soon have a hard copy of your Jotform entry right in front of you. By following these steps, you can efficiently print entries from your Jotform tables and maintain a physical record whenever needed. I hope this guide was helpful and clear, simplifying the process for you to manage your Jotform information with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.